Just got the check, I'm feeling stupid. Getting the bag is in my blood, I be positive. But the type of girls I like, I'd probably blow my whole deposit with. Anytime I fill up my wallet, she does the opposite. Is it me, my style, my music, or my funds that you rock it with? Now that I talk of it, can't even be mad. Cause the question got some options, and that's awesome shit I have. Awesome that I got to spend it on somebody bad. So, didn't have a night like this before I had you. If I gotta go broke, I'ma do it like a baller. Live fast, spend it all on you. Got a stack that I gotta blow through. Spoiling baddies, man, that's all I do. If I gotta go broke, I'ma do it like a baller. Live fast, spend it all on you. Got a stack that I gotta blow through. Spoiling baddies, man, that's all I do. Got the stack that I gotta blow through.
Hi guys! Currently at dorm na. And this is my food. Pumili na lang ako ng shawarma rice kasi it's already 8 PM I guess or something. Wait, it's already 7:52 PM. And tinatamad na akong magsaing and magluto. So, pumili na lang ako. Tada! Di ko wala ko papakita sa inyo. Hindi ko na pinakita or something na as in like yung as in naka-backcam tas such kasi ang kalat ng kwarto ko. And saka mga ako kumakain. I know, parang ang pangit. Pero kasi maliit lang yung kwarto ko. Tapos, may maliit akong table. Pero sa sahig ako kailangan umupo. And, hindi ko pa siya nawawalis kasi kababalik ko lang sa dorm. Kasi mauwi ako sa amin. So, dito na lang ako kakain. I-make sure ko na lang na hindi yung matatapon. Bango. Alam niyo ba guys, fun fact, hindi ako masyado mahilig sa shawarma. Kasi, una ko natikmang shawarma kasi was in shawarma. Pwede ko ba banggitin? Basta si Yellow. And then, amoy putok. Tapos, parang lasang putok din siya. So, tumayo ako. Then, next, pinako is Turks. Pero, kinakain ko si Turks na with pita or bread. Something like that. And gusto ko yung lasa doon. Sinaray ko sa shawarma. Hindi ko gusto yung lasa. Lasa putok. Amoy putok. Eto, sa Al-Amir to. And, bet ko naman yung lasa. Sayang nga, ubos na raw yung egg nila. Gusto ko yung with egg sana. Tapos, itong spicy yung pinaano ko. Pinalagay ko. That's it, guys. I have my tumbler din here with me kasi kahit malig ako spicy, mababa naman yung what's that? Tolerance level ko sa spiciness or something like that. So, ayun. Kailangan ko palagi ng tubig. Oh, ang gusto niya. Pero masarap pa rin. I think ikakat ko muna yung vlog here kasi wala naman akong ichichika while kumakain and ayoko namang panoorin yun ako kumakain. Kasi yung ibang nagmumukbang may sinasabi habang kumakain. Ako wala akong masasabi. So, see you later pag mag-aaral na ako. Bye guys! On the way ako to pasok today with my one and only class for today. What? Puro today. Pero yun, isa lang class ko today and quiz pa siya. Hindi ko naaral na maayos. So, good luck sa akin. Wala kaming meet dun sa isa pa. Kasi, next week na raw. Kasi kompra yun. So, ngayon, isang subject lang siya. Manifesting pumasa kahit hindi ko naaral lang maayos. Nagbasa lang ako. Not super aral na aral. So, hindi ko kumakasagot ako mamaya. Depende sa tanong kung madali siyang intindihin. Ta-na-na-na-na-na, iba naman. Don't forget to wear your sunscreen. OMG, tumulong. So, sa mga nag-a-ask, akala mo sikat na. Sa mga gustong malaman ang sunscreen ko. Here it is. It's the original. Gatekeep sa pabango, kaya nakalagay dito. Eme. Yun lang. Okay guys, done na ako mag-prepare. I'm going to school na. Lansyahin natin kahit alam kong gusot din to agad mamaya kasi clumsy ako. Ha, panis, di ako marunong pero natagpag yung gusot. Kung mali man yung pagka-plans ako, edi sorry. Ha, panis. Walang kabayo-kabayo yan. Done with the presentation. Hindi ko na-vlog yung pagre-review and such ko kasi phone ang gamit ko. So, ngayong tapos ko na lang. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Yun nga. Hi! Ba't di na lang kaya ikaw? Wala na yung rainbow. Wala na, maalis na siya. Ah! Outfit for today. Good morning. Today is Sunday and it's currently 7:30 or something like that. And kagigising ko lang pero bala kong sumemba today and mag-run ng errands and other shit. So, ayun, kaya ako gumising na maaga. I think hindi ako nakapag-capture ng pang Miyerkules and Huwebes and Friday. Kasi nandito lang naman ako sa bahay. I mean, pumasok ako sa school pero saglit lang din. Dito lang sa bahay. Naglaba and naglinis lang ako dito nung mga time na yon kasi tinatapon pa ako mag-review. Pero ayun, hindi ko na pinakita or hindi ko na video. Kasi bakit ko i-video? Close ba tayo? Nasa ganung level na ba tayo ng closeness? Ay, Charis, hindi ganun yun. Wala, di ko lang trip. Tsaka like, sa CR lang naman ako naglalaba and such. So, tas hand wash. So, hindi ko na pinakita. Basta, ayun. Then, nakapaglinis namin ako dito ng kwarto. Pero baka maglinis ulit ako. Hindi, magre-review na pala ako. Doon, sa pagre-review ko kayo sasama para ma-motivate din kayong mag-review kung kayo nag-aaral man while watching this video. So, yes. Yun lang, niligo na ako din. Paalis na. Mag-aayos ako ng slide because may date kami ni Lord. Ang pakit naman kung hindi ako mag-aayos, diba? Kasi nga may date ako. I'm using this blush by Chuchu. Ganito. Yun lang. I'm gonna get going na. Bye!
take it slow. You make this light inside me glow. You're the only one who knows me. Saturate me when I'm gray until all my colors show. I get lost in those hazy eyes. I'm in love with these lazy nights. So maybe we can stay back, lay back here and enjoy the ride. I don't wanna feel the night. I just wanna chill under the northern lights with you, with you. I do whatever you want me to do. Sadie, you save me, keep me from floating away. Blue dream, baby, you leave me with nothing to say but I love the way you take control. You lift me up when I get low. I gave you the right of way. Now I'm seeing sideways. But even when Saturday ends, I know I'll see you again. I don't wanna feel the night. I just wanna chill under the northern lights with you, with you. I do whatever you want me to do. Sadie, you save me, keep me from floating away. Blue dream, baby, you leave me with nothing to say but I don't wanna feel the night.
I've been around. No one else has got me feeling this way. Every minute, every hour I spend is on you every single day. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. Something about ya makes me wanna be with you for a long time. Do ba do bit it do ba do bit it do 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 day. Do ba do bit it do ba do bit it do 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 day. Do ba do bit it do